Today I'm going to take a quick look at a new mouse. It's a Bluetooth mouse from the Microsoft, and it's called Designer, as you can see. And the reason why I've got it, it's just because I got really interested in that design of it, and it looks really good, close to the Apple mice, really. It's a low profile design, a blue track technology and all that. And quickly I'm going to open it up. It is sealed at the bottom, and let me also bring a mouse mat as well. So I got my mouse mat right here, and just cut this little sticker at the bottom so I can open it up. Alright, it has stickers on the side as well. And just in case you're wondering, it's suitable for Android and Mac devices as well. Now my laptop is on. I'm just gonna see what do we have in the box right here. Obviously the mouse itself and some instructions at the bottom right here. Okay, and then in here, user manuals and all that, a couple of AAA batteries. Okay, yep. Now there's no little USB dongle in here, so just make sure that before you get this you do have a USB enabled laptop, desktop, or you have a dongle that you can use with this mouse. And okay, let's get the batteries in. Apparently I just pressed on this little flap right here, that opens up. Okay, now that's my bad right now. As far as I can see, let me just make sure. So you can use any AAA batteries with it that you have. It is also set right here inside of the mouse. So I'm going to place in the ones that they came with. Follow the signs, they both go in the same direction, and I have a blue light right there. I'm going to close this battery. It looks like it is nice and magnetic. Now I have the blue light on the bottom flashing, and to pair it I have the instructions right here. Press that button for 3 seconds. Okay, to get it into the pairing mode. What do I have here? Something to press with. Nothing. Let me get a pen. A pencil. So I'm gonna hold this for 3 seconds right here. And the mouse actually went off. So I'm going to do that again. That's the on and off button. If you press it for 1 second, alright. So it might be in pairing mode already. I'm just going to go to my laptop settings and see if I can find the mouse or not. I'm going to my Bluetooth devices and add a Bluetooth device. And quickly, straight as I put this on, I have the mouse, keyboard and pen right here. So as soon as I put that on, I have this keyboard, mouse and pen, which is apparently already connected. Let me try this. Okay, that is not the case. The mouse is not working, as you can see. But I'm gonna go to add Bluetooth and mice, and there we go. Now we have it. Now that's the designer mouse right there. Connect to it, and the device is ready to go. Press done, and as you can see, even with my hand, the mouse, it is working. As far as it being comfortable, basically it feels alright. Left and right buttons work nicely. The scroll button right here, I'm gonna try right now. Everything works nicely. So it feels good onto the hand and on the table. It is expensive. I mean, it's more expensive than the one that I have reviewed previously, which was under £10. This is under £20 anyway, about £18 and a bit. And as far as prolonged usage on it, only time will tell. I use it for a while and then update it. That's the Microsoft Designer at £18 and a little bit. You can find the link in the description.